Today, we're stepping away from the road and into the skies with something truly out of this world, the Star Ranger 2025. This isn't just an aircraft, it's a bold leap into the future of luxury aviation. Sleek, silent, and stunningly beautiful, the Star Ranger 2025 has arrived, and it's turning every head in the hangar. Let's start with design. From the moment you lay eyes on the Star Ranger, its aerodynamic, pure white body immediately screams futuristic elegance. It's shaped like a dart, built for speed but crafted with the finesse of a luxury yacht. The tinted black cockpit glass contrasts beautifully against the pearl-white body, and the twin-jet engines at the back give it a beast-like look while still maintaining a premium aesthetic. Every curve and contour has been sculpted to reduce drag and maximize style. Inside the luxury showroom where it's on display, the polished marble floor reflects every inch of this flying masterpiece. Under the showroom lights, the aircraft doesn't just sit, it shines. The soft ambient glow highlights its curves like it's a rare jewel, and honestly, it kind of is. This isn't your typical business jet, it's a personal spaceship for billionaires. Now let's talk performance. While the Star Ranger 2025 looks like a sci-fi concept, it's packed with real-world tech. Twin high-efficiency turbo engines promise smooth, whisper-quiet travel at high speeds. And the engineering behind its flight control system, absolutely top tier. This aircraft responds like a sports car in the sky, giving pilots and passengers an experience unlike any commercial flight. Inside the cabin, luxury is redefined. Think smart glass that tints automatically, ambient lighting that adjusts based on your mood, and reclining leather seats that feel like first-class beds. Digital displays are seamlessly integrated into the side panels. There's even holographic control for cabin settings, entertainment, and communication. It feels like stepping into a sci-fi movie, except it's all real. The Star Ranger 2025 also puts safety first. Advanced AI assists with navigation, weather analysis, and collision avoidance, making it one of the most intelligent aircrafts ever built for private use. With 360-degree environmental scanning and predictive response systems, the aircraft adapts in real time to changing flight conditions. So who is the Star Ranger really for? It's for the dreamers, the innovators, the billionaires, the ones who see the sky not as the limit but as home. Whether it's a trip from Dubai to Tokyo or a weekend hop from LA to Aspen, the Star Ranger gets you there in style, comfort, and unmatched luxury. If you thought luxury cars were the endgame, think again. The Star Ranger 2025 proves that the future of elite transport isn't just on wheels, it's in the air. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Reviews for more incredible machines just like this. Until next time, keep dreaming big and flying high.